New information on what's next in the push for justice for Army Lieutenant Karan Nazario.
We learned the Windsor police officer at the center of a controversial traffic stop will not face criminal charges. The story grabbed attention across the nation 2 years ago, and you saw it first on 13 News Now. Tonight, Allie Weatherton explains why the special prosecutor did not pursue charges against the former cop.
What's going on? You're fixing to ride the lightning, son.
This 2020 traffic stop put the town of Windsor in the spotlight.
I'm honestly afraid to get out. Get out.
Yeah, you should be. Get out.
Two Windsor police officers say they stopped Army Lieutenant Karan Nazario because he didn't have a visible license plate and didn't pull over right away. Nazario's attorney says his client drove to a well-lit gas station.
Why am I being treated like this? Why?
Because you're not cooperating. Get on the ground.
Now, nearly 2 years later, the special prosecutor in the case says former Windsor police officer Joe Gutierrez will not face any charges.
While we are disappointed, we're not surprised.
A source provided 13 News Now this letter written by Anton Bell, the special prosecutor and Hampton's Commonwealth attorney. It says he reviewed videos, the Virginia State investigative report, and discussed the investigation with Virginia State police agents. Bell said he found, quote, no violation of state law occurred on the date in question.
You haven't even told me why I'm being stopped.
Really?
In the letter, Bell called this video very disturbing and unsettling. While he says Gutierrez's use of force did not violate state law since he gave Nazario multiple commands to get out of his SUV, Bell did say he wondered if an underlying bias played a part. Bell said he reached out to the United States Attorney's Office for the Eastern District of Virginia to request the office open an investigation to see if Gutierrez violated Nazario's civil rights.
It is far from over. I would say let us be abundantly clear. This case is not at rest.
After the traffic stop, Town of Windsor officials hired an outside company to create a new policy manual and offer more police officer training. Allie Weatherton, 13 News Now.
Last year, Nazario filed a lawsuit against Gutierrez and Daniel Crocker, the other officer involved. Nearly a year and a half later, Nazario's attorney said they are still in the court process. Following Nazario's lawsuit, former Attorney General Mark Herring filed a case against the town of Windsor. He says his office found evidence Windsor police officers would disproportionately pull over black drivers for traffic stops. Attorney General Jason Miyares took over in January. A spokeswoman at his office told 13 News Now they don't comment on pending litigation.